a brand new Windows gaming handheld from ROG. The ROG Ally allows you to play all your game libraries anytime, anywhere. Manage all of your games and key mappings in one place with Armory Crate. Powered by an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, the ROG Ally puts the latest AAA games in the palm of your hand. A full HD 120Hz display with 500 nits of peak brightness lets beautiful graphics take center stage, even outdoors. Connect to the ROG XG Mobile for ultimate flexibility, keyboard and mouse for a classic PC gaming setup, or TV and controller gameplay. And for even more versatility, combine your Ally with other accessories from ROG. ROG Ally. All your games, anytime, anywhere.